Nakadali tayo ngayon isang toman, almost 5.1 kilo. Ito yung as of now biggest ko dito sa spot na to. 5 kilos, dati 4.7, 3 ganyan. Pero ito ang laki, grabe. Almost pauwi na ako, kumagat pa, akala ko wala na. Thanks God, medyo maalon, but this one is big. This is at least my biggest, no, dito sa spot ko. Ayun, thank you, sana magustuhan nyo. Good gears give good results using Angler Armor jersey and Storm Rod from Cebu Tackle Shop. Thank you. Oh! Oh! Oh, nice one. Nice. Oh, oh. Okay, big one. Okay, nice one. Okay. Big one. Big one. Okay. Sarap na laban ito. Tanggal pagod. Okay. Laki. Okay. Okay. Mamaw ito. Okay. Landed. Grabe. Wow. Another toman, another day. 5 kilo, 5.1. 32 inches. Grabe, ang laki. Hirap makapagpakagat. Kailangan to. Pampatanggal pagod po. Thank you, big one. Using Storm Adventure Rod from Cebu Tackle Shop. Wearing Angler Armor jersey from Angler Armor. Good gears give good result. 5.1 kilo.